Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Kandivali's one of the most luxurious and spacious project in Kandivali East. So here I bring you close to the nature and peace where in this fast moving world it is very difficult to get a project like that. So connectivity wise, if I tell you, this project is only 500 meters from the Akurli metro station and hardly 3 kilometers from the Kandivali railway station. Nearby, if you see, we have the Ran International School available here. Lokhandwala Foundation School is there and Thakur Public School is there. If you want to go out with your family to enjoy, so we have the Growers Mall nearby, which is hardly 500 meters from our project. The Vishnu Shivam Mall is there and the Annex Mall is there. Coming to our project, it is spread out on a 7.75 acres of land parcel with only 6 towers in it. All the towers are of ground plus 40 floors only. So here I am coming up with 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK spacious and luxury, which comes with a spacious carpet area. My amenities are spread over around 2.6 acres of land parcel, out of which 1.6 acres is spread on podium level and 2 acres is spread on the mother earth. 40% is only the infrastructure and 60% is all my amenities on out of the total land parcel. I have 40 plus amenities in our project. You name it and I have it. Now I'll show you with the sample apartment. So here is our 2 BHK, which is of 769 carpet area. Once you enter, you have a foyer area which you can decorate it as you want, which will show a glimpse of your apartment. Then here you will enter, you will come towards your living and dining area. So you can put a dining area of 4-seater dining table, in which you, after putting the dining table, you can easily move around. Here is your living area. So your living and dining area will be around 230 square feet, which also includes your balcony of 30 square feet approximately, where you can put your 2 chairs easily and enjoy your view of a Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So once you come this side, on the right hand side you have your kitchen. So your kitchen you will have a 2 side of parallel platform, which you see it is a very spacious kitchen. Easily 4 to 5 people can move around, and there is a sliding which we have given in the kitchen as well. So you will have your spacious air in that. Moving towards your bedroom, so I'll show you our first common bedroom, which is on the right hand side. So if you see, it is a spacious bedroom of 126 square feet. After keeping your bed and everything, you can move around easily. Plus we have given a niche for your wardrobe, so the wardrobe goes inside and then you don't have any restriction as such while you are moving around the bedroom. In the bedroom also we have given you, for cross ventilation we have given you the sliding, so fresh air is there in the bedroom as well. Most of the developers don't do that. So then you enter, then here on the left hand side you have your common washroom. So the washroom fittings will be as it is with the tilings as well. It is a spacious washroom of 32 square feet. Then you come towards your master bedroom. So on the left hand side you have your wardrobe. For that also we have given you a niche. So your wardrobe space is utilized properly, and it is a proper depth of 2 square feet if you see. Here comes your master bedroom basically. If you see, after keeping the bed and all the furniture, here also it is a spacious bedroom of 175 square feet. So most of the master bedrooms are 120 or 30 square feet, in which we have given a 175 square feet, which includes your washroom as well. But the washroom space is a separate space of 30 square feet. Same washroom will be provided. Then you have a balcony as well in your master bedroom. So it is a spacious balcony where you can put 2 to 3 chairs and sit easily and enjoy the sunset as well as the Sanjay Gandhi National Park view. So this is a luxury 2 BHK of 769 square feet. If you see, My 1 BHK is a carpet area of 432. 2 BHK is starting from 600, which goes up to 800 carpet area. My 3 BHK, I have a range of 300, which goes up to 1100. And I have a spacious and luxury 4 BHK, which is a spread out of 1624 carpet area. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you have any doubts. Please contact to our contact details given below.